Today on my channel we shall discuss about abrasive water jet machining process. So today we will discuss about introduction to abrasive water jet machining process. To study about its construction, to study about its working principle, and to discuss about its applications, advantages and disadvantages. So what is abrasive water jet machining? Abrasive water jet machining process is a non-conventional machining process that uses a very high-speed water jet mixed with abrasives to cut any type of material. If the process is used without any abrasives, it is known as water jet machining. The inlet water is typically pressurized between 1300 to 4000 megapascal, which is forced through a tiny hole which has a typical 0.18 to 0.4 millimeter diameter, creating a very high velocity beam of water. This process is generally used for cutting operation but can also be used for selective removal of material. From this well-illustrated diagram, we will discuss about construction and working principle of abrasive water jet machine. This machine consists of hydraulic oil reservoir, heat exchanger, electric pump, pressure relief valve, direction control valve, electronic control unit, intensifier, attenuator, abrasive supply tank, and nozzle. Here, nozzle consists of cutting head, mixing chamber, and main nozzle. Here, intensifier acts as an amplifier as it converts the energy from low pressure hydraulic fluid into ultra high pressure water. This intensifier consists of double rod power cylinder. Here, each rod acts as a plunger with a face area of 20 times less than the main piston. Therefore, 200 megapascal oil pressure is intensified 20 times, yielding 4000 megapascal water pressure. This is because area is inversely proportional to pressure. As area decreases, pressure increases. This is attenuator. Here, attenuator dampens the pressure fluctuation from the intensifier and delivers a constant and steady stream of ultra-high pressure water to the cutting tool. This is direction control valve. It consists of 4 ports and it operates at 3 operating position. This is straight operating position, this is idle position, and this is reversed operating position. This direction control valve is controlled by electronic control unit. Now, hydraulic oil is pressurized and it is supplied at this portion of the power cylinder. Hence, piston moves in forward direction. Hence, hydraulic oil at this portion is displaced and it is supplied back to the reservoir. Hence, piston moves in forward direction. Hence, water at this region is supplied to the water circuit as it is highly pressurized, and this region is filled with low pressure water. As the piston reaches at its extreme position, limit switch gets triggered. Hence, electric signal is supplied to the electronic control unit. Now, electronic control unit controls the direction control valve. Now, direction of flow of hydraulic oil is reversed. Now, highly pressurized hydraulic oil is supplied by electric pump at this portion. Hence, piston moves in forward direction. Hence, hydraulic oil at this portion is displaced and supplied back to the reservoir. Now, water at this portion is pressurized and supplied to the water supply circuit, and low pressure water fills this region. Hence, there is reciprocating motion of piston inside the power cylinder. Due to the continuous reciprocating motion, the temperature of hydraulic oil increases. In order to reduce the temperature of hydraulic oil, heat exchanger is provided. As the highly pressurized water is supplied to the attenuator, then it is supplied directly at the cutting head of the nozzle. In the cutting head, solenoid operated valve regulates the amount of water which is to be mixed with abrasive. Hence, abrasive and water is mixed in mixing chamber. Here, abrasive is supplied from abrasive supply tank. Now, this mixture of abrasive and water is supplied to the main nozzle. Hence, abrasive water jet is generated. This abrasive water jet is now used for machining operation. Its applications are: it is mostly used to cut lower strength materials such as wood, plastics, and aluminum. When abrasives are added, stronger materials such as steel and even some tool steel can be cut. Woodworking is another application that abrasive water jet machining can be used for. Its advantages are: there are no heat affected zones. Hence, the material does not get warped, discolored, or hardened. It have ability to manufacture burr-free part. Hence, no jagged edges or burns. It has high precision cutting. Hence, there is elimination of need of secondary machining operation. Its disadvantages are: very thick part cannot be cut with water jet. Abrasive powder cannot be reused. Limited number of materials can only be cut. It is very expensive process. Hence, it is not suitable for mass production because of high maintenance cost. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share my video.